Guess what we're gonna be doing today? It's a Pop Mart unboxing, and I forgot my tripod inside. But we're gonna be unboxing my first Labubu. It was really hard to get it, and then because most of the times I noticed when the Labubu emails for the the notification emails would come when they're available, it would be like at night when I'm sleeping, like in the middle of the night or like around 9:30 at night most of the time, and then like they would sell out really fast. When I say really fast, I mean maybe 5 minutes, pushing 10 if you're lucky. And I literally jumped on it. This isn't the first one that I got. The first one is on back order. This is technically the second one I ordered a couple days later. I think once you order one, they make it a little more easier for you, or maybe I just figured out the trick to getting it. But I did cut this to make it easier for me to open. And we're about to unbox the Labubu. I'm going to try to set this down here somehow. We got the Labubu. It's my first Labubu. I'm going to do this one-handed. Both my eyebrows. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm a little annoyed because the box is dented. I'm going to undent it the best I can. It's a Labubu. It's a Labubu. Just going to use my legs. That's what they're good for. Straight from Pop Mart. It's the Checkmate one. I really want the pink mug. They have a blue one and a pink one, like the mugs. And I want the pink one. That's one of the next things I really want. And this one's like the cutest one I ever saw, to be honest. Like, some of them are scary looking. The crybabies to me are scary, but this one is really cute. For like a little monster. It's like really cute, and it's got a pink heart and a bow and a little pink crown. It's a real monster straight from Pop Mart in China. And it's the Let's Checkmate Labubu. It's so cute. I almost don't want to take it out of the packaging. Because then it's going to be like less cool, right? Less valuable. But I don't plan on selling this. This is for me. It's a Labubu. Small parts, choking hazard, not for children under 3. Well, it's a good thing I'm not a child under 3. It's straight out of China. It's a Labubu. I was just thinking, imagine if the person that delivered it to me like broke into it and stole it, but he didn't. It's the Let's Checkmate Labubu. It's a Labubu. 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 Should have done this live on Instagram or something. La 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 boo 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 boo. It's a Labubu. Let's Checkmate. Isn't she cute? In a creepy kind of way. Is the lighting here better? It might be. I mean, for her, not for me. It's a Labubu boo 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 boo.